So welcome to our PHP class. So we are going to be learning things about the PHP scripting language. But first, ano ba yung PHP? So PHP is used to make dynamic web pages. When we say dynamic, it means that it is the opposite of static. So there are two kinds of websites. We have static websites and we have dynamic websites. When we say static, so the contents of a static website does not change, so there's no change, whereas ito naman sa ating dynamic, the contents are changing, specifically kapag nag-interact ang user sa ating website. For example, the user clicks a button, so there is a change that is going to happen in your website. So another thing about PHP is that PHP is server side, okay, whereas ang ating namang HTML at CSS, they are at most, or basically they are client side. So all of the requests that are requested by users, so server ang nagpa-process noon. Okay, so what are the things that you need to know before you start to study PHP? First thing, you need to have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. So I will not be talking things about HTML at saka CSS coding, because I assume that you already know how to code those scripting languages. So let's start with learning PHP. I will see you on the next video.